Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to our channel Servicexpert. Today we are taking an in-depth look at the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 70 Series GXL Double Cab, the latest and greatest from the iconic Land Cruiser family. So without further delay, let's get started. This 2024 model is a real game changer, boasting significant updates and improvements, from a complete facelift to upgraded technology and a new powertrain options. There's a lot to dive into. Let's kick things off with what's under the hood. The 2024 Land Cruiser 70 Series now runs on a 1GD 2.8-liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine. This powerhouse delivers 150 kW of power at 3400 RPM and hefty 500 Nm of torque between 1600 to 2800 RPM. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, it ensures a smooth and efficient ride, maintaining its towing capacity of 3500 kgs for those heavy hauls. This versatile Land Cruiser model comes in various configurations, catering to different needs. Whether you prefer 5-door wagon, the 3-door troop carrier, or the single and double cab chassis, there's an option for everyone. Adventure style. The exterior has received a well-deserved refresh. Check out those sleek circular LED headlamps, the new black mesh grille, and the vintage-inspired 3-slot cooling vent, paying homage to its predecessors, the 75 Series Land Cruiser. Inside, you will find a revamped instrument cluster, a 4.2-inch color multi-information display, and an updated multimedia system supporting wired Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, ensuring connectivity and convenience on the road. Safety is always a paramount, and the 2024 Land Cruiser 70 Series doesn't disappoint. Equipped with lane departure alert, road sign assist, and automatic high beam, it ensures a safe ride. Additionally, the Toyota Safety Sense system provides advanced features like the pre-collision system, pedestrian and cyclist detection, and the intersection assist. For off-road enthusiasts, there's even downhill assist control for controlled descents. Toyota stands by its vehicle with a 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty. Additionally, there is an extended 7-year warranty package on the engine and driveline. For your convenience, Toyota offers capped price servicing for the first 5 years or 1 lakh kilometers, with each 6-month or 10,000 kilometer service costing $525. So finally, there you have it, the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 70 Series GXL Double Cab. It's a robust, reliable, and thoroughly updated beast ready to take on any adventure. Whether it's off-road exploration or a heavy-duty towing, this Land Cruiser promises top-notch performance and durability. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy exploring, and we will catch you in another video. Stay safe, drive safe.